This is a demo on how to use the Texecom Premier Elite alarm system from this keypad. If your system has this keypad, then I've done a separate video just for you. I will link it in the description and link it at the end of this video as well, so you can use that. I've set this up into chapters so you can skip to which chapter is relevant to you if needs be. To begin, the keypad will look like this if it's a wireless keypad. So to arm the system, enter your code and press the tick. This will now start the exit tone. The tone will change as it moves in the exit area. And the system will set usually after 30 seconds or when you have closed the front door. During the last 5 seconds, the tone changes. And now the system is set. When you are re-entering the building, the tone will start, the keypad will wake up, put in your code, and that will unset the system. To part set the system, which is usually for a night mode, enter your code, press this button here with the little person inside the house, and it will ask you, do you want evening arm? If this has been set up either by yourself or the engineer, tick to this and start the set. The difference here is this will set silently in a lot of cases if it's set up for that, just in case someone is in bed, you don't want to be disturbing them. But the exit tone won't make a sound, but after 30 seconds, it will chime to let you know the system's set if you want to wake from upstairs and know that the system is armed. The system is now set. When you come down in the morning, the tone starts. It's a bit of a quieter tone, exactly the same unset procedure. Enter your code, system will unset. After an alarm event, if you need to reset the system, enter your code to stop the alarm, enter your code again, and when you see this, press the reset key up here and it will bring you back and reset the system ready for use again. To omit zones on this system, put in your user code, click this button here, which is the omit button, and you can go through your zones, choose which one to omit, press the omit key. Once you've pressed that omit key on whatever zones you need to omit, press the menu key and then tick. This will now arm the system with that zone omitted, and that yellow light would have been flashing when you omitted that zone. If you have omitted a zone, the zone will automatically unomit itself after it's next unset. If you need to cancel an exit, put in the code during the exit procedure and click tick. To turn the chime on this system, press the music symbol and you will hear that tone. To turn the chime off, which you may have come across if it's been accidentally turned on and you're walking around the house and it's making a tone, simply click that button again and that tone has now turned the chime off. To change your user code, enter your code, click the menu button here in the bottom right, click tick into the user menu, and then you can go through the user menu. And the second one down is, do you want to change code? Press the tick button, enter your new code, press the tick button, press the reset to come back. And now your new code is programmed into the alarm system. If your system says on the screen, engineer reset or anti-code reset required, you will need to contact the installer as they'll need to provide you an engineer reset to the system. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If there's anything you think I've missed or want something specific, please let me know. Cheers.